Hi all, Neci Love Harmon here of What She Created Enterprise.
And today I will be showing you the basic essentials of the Singer Simple 3337 series sewing machine. So let's get started. This is the reverse button. The reverse button is utilized to make sure that you go backwards first before you sew, and then you go forward to reinforce your stitches, okay? This is the stitch length dial. Usually when you're doing a straight stitch, you want to keep it at 3, but you can turn it as such. But I'm going to keep it at 3 right now. It also has the stretch stitch 1, which can be accessed by going past 0, or the stretch stitch 2, okay? So if you are sewing knit fabrics, then you can utilize either the red or the blue stitches. That's depending on what you are doing, okay? Now this machine has a lot of stitches, okay? This is the buttonhole. You got your straight stitch. The blue and the red are the stretch stitch straight stitches, okay? So when you are using stretch fabric, you need to reinforce a bit better. So that's why it does a triple stitch. All right, it has another straight stitch, and then for the simple stitches, and then it has zigzag stitches, blind hem stitch, utility stitches, and such, okay? And it's the same thing for the stretch stitches also, straight, zigzag, and then utility stitches, okay? So this is the dial that you would utilize to get to the different stitches that you want. So let's keep moving. All right, if you go down here, this machine actually has a buttonhole function. So when you are utilizing the buttonhole, this lever actually has to be down easily. Yep. This one also has a needle threader. So that's always good to be able to have a needle threader so you don't have to thread the needle. This is the presser foot, and this is the presser foot lever, which is back here. So this lever makes the presser foot go up and down, okay, when you are sewing. The needle is here, and then you have your bobbin case, and this is a bobbin cutter. So when you are threading the bobbin, you would cut it. This is the dial that opens the bobbin case as needed. And then these are called the feed dogs, these little grooved things. They actually push your fabric forward. And then you have your seam allowance lines here also. Okay, so that's all at the bottom or close to the bottom of the machine. And then you have your thread cutter here. So you can just take your thread and cut it there as needed if you don't have scissors around. This is the thread take up lever. So it helps you to thread the top of the sewing machine. Let's see, on the back here, not much on the back here. This is the hand wheel. The hand wheel makes the needle go up and down. Okay, so that's the hand wheel. Now we're at the top of the machine. This is the tension dial. You want to keep it between 3 and 5 all of the time. The tension dial really has to do with keeping the stitch tight. Okay, this is the thread guide for adding thread to the bobbin. Okay, these are other thread guides that you would use to thread the machine. This is where the spool goes. This is spool holder, and then the little spool attachment holder. This is the additional spool holder. And then this is the bobbin winder spindle that you use to actually add thread to the bobbin. And this little thing, it assists with making sure that the bobbin is full of thread. This one also has a carrying case that you can utilize to take it where you need to go. And then it comes with the electrical socket here, okay? And it's plugged up to the wall now, but it does have an electrical socket as well as the foot pedal, which makes the machine go and stop as needed, or the needle stopping as needed. Okay. A lot of times the sewing machine will come with various accessories, which are great. Okay, this is called the darning plate. So you use that when you're mending or quilting with the standard machine. This is an extra spool holder, and so you can put that spool holder here as needed. Okay, so that's at the top of the machine. And then you have, this is more for quilting. This is a quilting arm, I believe. This is the buttonhole foot. So you would change the foot if you're doing buttonholes. You got your machine screwdriver here. Okay, so it takes out the screws. The screws are actually here, so when you use it to clean the machine, or if you have a bird's nest or something like that. This is the button foot. So if you're adding buttons by the machine, then you can snap on this foot to do button sewing. This is the machine cleaning brush. You got extra needles. From time to time, they give you extra needles. You also have the zipper foot. So when you are installing the zipper, then you will utilize that. And it comes with additional bobbins as such. Okay. This is a spool holder also. So that's some of the accessories that come with the machine. So thank you for watching this tutorial on the basic functions of the Singer Simple 3337 sewing machine. It's a decent machine for a starter sewist. So thank you for watching this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and like our videos. Give us video ideas. Hit that super thanks. Check us out on our socials, as well as we have online courses that are here, as well as digital patterns and other merchandise. So thank you for watching this tutorial, and happy sewing.